Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering parts and confirming compatibility. Get NTag 213 or NTag 215 tags because they balance capacity and phone support. Pick a keychain shell that fits the tag. Once done, make sure your phone supports NFC and install an NFC writing app like NXB Tag Writer or equivalents. Open the app, enable NFC in phone settings, and prepare the content you want to write. URL, vCard, or a shortcut. This first step gets you ready to encode and test immediately. You now encode and secure the tag. In the app, choose the payload type and paste the exact URL, contact info, or Wi-Fi credentials. Keep data within the tag's capacity so writes succeed. Tap Write, then hold the tag to the phone until the app confirms success. Once verified, you can optionally lock the tag or set a password to prevent overwrites. Locking makes it read-only, so use that when content is final. Make sure to test the tag with another device before sealing it. You finish by assembling and validating the keychain. Place the encoded tag into the keychain shell and fasten it. Use a low-profile glue or the provided snap so the tag sits flat. Test by tapping several phones to the finished keychain to confirm consistent reads and behavior. If a phone fails to read, retry writing the tag, confirm you used NTag 213/215, and ensure the tag isn't too deep in the shell. Repositioning or thinning, the shell often fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.